In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the red X cross on the volume icon on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing you can do is to try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Because when you restart, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. So try restarting. If that doesn't work, move to the second method. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on System on the left pane. Scroll down and then you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find audio with the Run button corresponding to it. Run the audio troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue, so simply run the audio troubleshooter. Close the window. Sec The next method you can do is to restart the Windows Audio Service. So go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Scroll down to the W section. We have to look for the Windows Audio Service. Once you find the Windows Audio Service, right-click and then go to Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. For the service status, if it is already running, click on Stop. Click on Yes. And then Apply. And then OK. And that is to restart the service. After doing so, you need to restart your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then, right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Here in the Device Manager window, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Locate your speaker. Right-click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Then, next method, you can try to reinstall it. Right-click on your speaker, select Uninstall Device, and click on the Uninstall button. After uninstalling it, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign it, and restart. Do not forget to restart your Windows after you have uninstalled the driver so that it will be reinstalled after you have restarted the Windows. Then you can also roll back the driver, especially if you have faced the issue after you have updated it. Right-click on your speaker or driver, select Properties, go to Driver. If the rollback driver is available or not grayed out, simply select that. Okay? And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.